I need an electrical connector for something, but I don't have one. So I'm going to make one out of this 1/4 inch copper tubing and connect it to a wire. So I wanted to show you how I was going to make one because I'm quite a ways from a store. I can't just run to town for that thing. It's going to cost me $10 just to run to town just for a connector that's probably worth $2. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. I'm going to pound one end down flat, drill a hole in it, and then I'll be able to use the connect it with the wire. So stay tuned. My vise has an anvil, so I have pounded this down with a ball peen hammer on the anvil and made it flat. Now I'm going to put a hole in it so I can attach it to the battery or connector, whatever else I need to connect it to. It could be anything. Stay tuned. There it is with the hole drilled in it, and then I will get the wire put in it. Show you in a minute. There it is with the wire in it, and now it can be connected to what I need it for. I just wanted to show this to you, and you can actually make a connector yourself. If you have some copper tubing that's laying around, you can also make your own connector without going to the store. So I just want to make that. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.